Here's the Moto G Stylus 2025 smartphone. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this. You want to do a factory reset if you just want a clean slate, start everything back over, or if you want to sell the phone. So with a factory reset, you got to log in, and then we're going to go directly to settings. And then from settings, we are going to go scroll down, and we will go to system, second to the bottom. Let's tap on system. And now let's scroll down a little bit and tap on reset options. And you can see a lot of other reset settings here, but we want to go all the way down to reset all data factory reset. So let's tap on that. Now, this right here is very important, okay? This will erase all data from internal storage, including, now it says your Google account. Now, if you are currently signed in to a Gmail account, your email address should show up here. Okay, if it does, and then you go ahead and erase all data and you do the factory reset, then after you do the setup again, some part of the way through the setup, it will ask you what your Gmail and password was that was linked to this phone in order to proceed to setup, okay? So especially if you're selling the phone, you want to go ahead, if your Gmail is in there, you want to cancel that, and then you want to go back and delete your Gmail off of your phone and then come back here, okay? So then when you come back here, reset options, factory reset, and now just make sure that your Gmail is not in there. That's if you don't want to use your username and password to complete the setup again when it's finished, okay? So anyway, this is good here. I can sell this phone after this. Just my Gmail's not in there. Let's erase all data. Let me enter my PIN, and I'll tap on OK down there. Erase all content, okay. This cannot be undone. Let's do it. Restarting. Booting back up. It's erasing. It'll be on here for a little bit, so be patient. And voila! Factory reset is complete, and now you can go ahead and choose your language and start up the setup process, or like myself, you can sell it as well.